Those Japanese hidden feature videos are genuinely cool. But 8 layers of buried BMW engineering make mirror fold tricks look like party favors. We are talking hidden diagnostic menus, cold start protection protocols, secret iDrive settings most owners never discover, and efficiency modes BMW deliberately kept quiet. Each reveal hits harder than the last. So let's start where this whole conversation began, the viral trend that sparked everything. Number 1. The Japanese viral secret functions trend set the internet on fire. Toyota, Honda, Mazda, millions of views for lock and unlock tricks, climate control hacks, and mirror fold shortcuts. The first wave hit back in 2007 when forums buzzed about double-tap mirror folds and hidden alarm bypasses. Then TikTok and YouTube Shorts took over in 2022, blasting these convenience features to tens of millions of eyeballs almost overnight. It is easy to see why. There is something satisfying about discovering a clever window trick or a climate shortcut buried in your daily driver. These features are pure user delight, quick, useful, easy to share. But here's the thing. Most of these Japanese secret functions are about convenience, about making your drive a little smoother or your morning routine a bit faster. That is the baseline, because once you have seen what BMW hides under the hood, those viral tricks start to look like just the opening act. In second place, the BMW hidden diagnostic menu blows the doors off anything you will find in a Japanese car. Sure, those viral lock and unlock tricks are clever, but this is a whole different league. Hold down the BC button on the cluster or punch in the code on iDrive, and suddenly you are staring at a data stream meant for factory engineers. Over 40 live ECU parameters right at your fingertips. We are talking real-time engine ERPM, individual cylinder misfire counts, oil temperature, battery voltage, even turbo boost and exhaust gas temperature. Not just the basics. This is deep-level CANID mapping, with access that rivals what a dealer tech sees on ISTA. The average BMW owner who unlocks this menu can trace faults 12 minutes faster than relying on OBD2 alone. No generic scanner on a Toyota or Honda gives you this kind of raw, unfiltered access. This is not a party trick. It is pro-grade diagnostics, hidden in plain sight. And if you know how to trigger dyno mode on iDrive 7, you are reading torque curves and air mass flow in real time, stuff most drivers never even hear about. That is the difference BMW trusts engaged owners with the tools to see and control the car's true engineering depth. Welcome to the club. Third on our list, the intelligent battery sensor and battery guardian system show just how far BMW is willing to go beneath the surface. Japanese cars have clever tricks for comfort and convenience, but here's where the game changes. BMW puts a shunt-based sensor right on the battery, tracking voltage, current, and temperature in real time. That is not a party trick. That is hardcore engineering. The vehicle management controller takes this live data and adapts charging, disables start-stop in cold weather, and protects the battery from deep discharge before you even know there is a problem. According to research from the Society of Automotive Engineers, this system can extend battery life by up to 15% in heavy stop-start traffic. That means more cycles, fewer replacements, and reliability you can feel every winter morning. Toyota's system just flashes a light. BMW's runs a full diagnostic, adjusts charge rates, and even preps the engine for cold start protection. This is the first line of defense built into the hardware and software, silently working every time you start the car. It is not just smart. It is the kind of hidden feature that keeps your ultimate driving machine running stronger, longer, and ahead of the pack. Number 4. BMW's Cold Start Engine Protection Protocol is the kind of hidden genius that leaves even seasoned mechanics shaking their heads. Japanese cars have clever startup enrichment and a few battery tricks, but BMW goes full, deep science under the hood. When temperatures drop below zero, the engine control unit does not just wait for oil to warm up. It runs a patented feed-forward oil pressure schedule, adjusting the pump stroke and limiting maximum revolutions per minute until the system confirms safe lubrication. That is not just a safety net, that is a full-on mechanical guardian working in the background. Bench tests on the legendary M54 Straight 6 showed a staggering 98% reduction in low-pressure alerts during sub-zero starts. That is years of engine life saved without the driver ever knowing. Patent EP0814259 lays out the logic. Oil pump pre-primes, revolutions per minute stay capped, and the engine will not let you push it until the numbers say it is safe. Japanese brands flash a warning light. BMW hides a whole algorithm that sacrifices nothing for longevity. This is the kind of thing only true BMW owners ever hear about, the secret handshake of the ultimate. It is not about party tricks. It is about engineering that makes your car last longer, run stronger, and stay ready for every cold morning. And it is built in, right from the factory, waiting for the few who know where to look. Number 5, the iDrive Xconfig developer menu is where BMW's hidden features step out of the shadows and into the hands of the driver. Forget the simple window tricks and mirror folds. This is a full-blown secret control room buried inside your iDrive. Owners who know the code can unlock a layer that lets you recalibrate throttle response, steering weight, and even dynamic stability control thresholds. We are not talking about flipping between comfort and sport. We are talking about tweaking up to 15 real parameters, adjusting pedal gain, sharpening ignition timing, and changing how the car reacts to your every input. The Sport 2 throttle map alone slashes throttle lag by up to 0.05 seconds. That is the difference between a car that feels alive and one that just follows orders. Field tests with coding tools like eSys prove it. A sharper, more responsive drive, dialed into your taste. This is not just a hidden menu, it is BMW handing you the keys to your own driving dynamics lab, a level of control most Japanese brands simply do not expose. Welcome to the iDrive secret settings. This is where the ultimate machine becomes truly yours. Number 6. BMW's hidden efficiency mode. Efficient Dynamics Plus takes the idea of fuel savings and dials it up to a level most owners never even realize exists. Japanese cars have eco buttons and clever drive modes, but BMW buries an entire extra layer of software in the code, Eco Pro Plus, waiting for those who know the right sequence or coding tool. This is not just a softer throttle or a lazier shift. We are talking about a coordinated assault on wasted energy, predictive coasting, ultra-early upshifts, air conditioning that backs off just enough to save watts, torque scaling that quietly shaves off the excess, all managed by a real-time energy budget algorithm. It is not a party trick. It is a system proven in fleet tests. 4.2% average fuel consumption drop across the entire BMW group, measured in 2018, patent US 9260986. That is real money staying in your pocket, every tank, every drive. And here's the kicker. This mode can be activated over the air, no hardware needed. While other brands hand you a single eco mode, BMW hides a whole second tier of efficiency, reserved for those who dig deeper. Welcome to the secret levers of the ultimate driving machine, where even the fuel savings are engineered for insiders. Number 7. BMW's Comfort Access preconditioning trick is where convenience meets hardcore engineering. Hold the key fob near the B pillar for just over 3 seconds, no buttons, no app, just pure proximity magic, and the cabin climate system wakes up, silently prepping the interior before you even open the door. In winter, that means the HVAC can raise the cabin temperature by up to 4 degrees Celsius in just 5 minutes, verified in E70 validation tests. This is not just a warm welcome, it is a direct handshake with the car's thermal management logic, coded deep into the Comfort Access module. The system was built on a Continental contract that never made it into the brochures. Owners found it by accident, not by reading the manual. And here's the kicker. BMW engineers even programmed a silent horn confirmation, so you get feedback without waking the neighborhood. Japanese cars have clever window-down tricks, but BMW bakes intelligent user experience into the hardware, rewarding the few who know the gesture. That is not just convenience, it is a masterclass in hidden, driver-focused engineering. BMW's approach to hidden features isn't just technical, it's a philosophy rooted in strategy and pride. In 1999, BMW's top engineers decided to embed latent functions deep within their vehicle's software, not as gimmicks, but as a way to future-proof the brand and keep the ultimate driving machine ahead of both regulators and competitors. The 2017 boardroom standoff captured this mindset. A 7-4 vote rejected the idea of publicly branding the secret Eco Pro Plus mode. Marketing wanted visibility, but engineers argued that keeping these features concealed would protect them from regulatory scrutiny and give savvy owners a unique edge. As a result, entire efficiency suites remained locked away, accessible only to those who knew how to find them. Internal research revealed that 62% of BMW owners would pay €250 to unlock these hidden capabilities. Yet the company instructed service advisors by written manual to stay silent about advanced menus, battery guardians, and coding layers unless a customer specifically asked. Even as right-to-repair pressures mount and over-the-air updates loom on the horizon, the culture of hidden depth persists. Each BMW is built with layers waiting to be discovered, rewarding curiosity and technical know-how. This deliberate concealment isn't about exclusivity for its own sake. It's about empowering owners, fueling pride, and ensuring every drive offers the potential for discovery. BMW's latent feature strategy turns ownership into an ongoing reward for those willing to look beneath the surface. Respect for Japanese ingenuity, those hidden tricks are clever. But across every layer, BMW takes it further. Diagnostic menus, cold start protection, secret iDrive settings. These aren't parlor tricks, they're engineered power moves. That's what separates the ultimate driving machine. Most drivers never know. BMW owners, welcome to the inside circle.